Hello students, here once again Mansi ma'am. As we have discussed in the previous video that how to insert the image, hyperlink and navigation in the composer as I given in the simple plaza in the previous video, and we get the revision that how to insert the image, hyperlink and navigation before the vacation, and we get revised in this last video. So now today in this session we will create a plaza, and we will take the example of this toy shop to create the plaza. So today we will create the plaza of toy shop. So let's start by clicking on this composer. Open the composer. Now firstly we will create this table to create the toy shop plaza. So click on this table. We will select this 3x2 columns. First row we will merge these two columns by giving the heading of the plaza, and this two rows and these two columns, that is second row and the third row, we will insert the images for these toys. So click on this, that will insert it. Now I hope you know that how to merge these two columns. So click on this, select it and drag to the second, right click on that and select the last second option, that is join selected cells. Now we will give this heading as a toy shop plaza. Select it. We will put this S and select it. Give the effect and colors. So we will select over here color and OK. Now we will select our font style. Select any font style. Now resize it. Give the alignment, and we will insert the images or some toy images. So click on this image to insert the image, browse button, and as I told you in the previous video, if you want to insert this Microsoft Office images or clip art, we will go into the C drive, select this program file, you select this Microsoft Office, use the first option clip art, the first folder, and we will insert this images. So select any one images and we will insert the images. Suppose we are selecting this and open, and we will select this do not use alternate text and OK. Now you can resize this image also by clicking on that and drag it to the point wise. Now this is a toy of plane, so we will write this toy plane. Now similarly we will insert the second image also, image, browse, select this another image, and open. Select this do not use alternate text and OK. Now you can give this over here toys. The same thing, we will insert this the last two images. Select image as per your wish. Open. Do not use alternate, select this option and OK. Now we will write Christmas and this last option. Open. Select this image as per your requirement. Open. Do not use alternate text and OK. You can resize this images also as per your size. and give this name, suppose toy. Now we will give this inserted these 4 images, and in this video we will give any 2 hyperlink to these 2 images. So firstly we will give to this image, and second we will give to this image. So that we will create these 2 pages, that is 1 and 2. Go to the first page, copy this image, paste to the second page, and same, select it, copy it and paste to the third page. Now we will write some information about that. Toy plane, price suppose 3000, number of quantity we will write suppose 10, and we will give a link to the order now. Same over here, price we'll write down suppose 2000, number of quantity we'll write suppose 8, and we will give this hyperlink that we will write down the order now. So we will give this text and image hyperlink to this second page and this for this third page. So firstly, before we are giving the hyperlink, we have to save this 2 page, otherwise it will not display this files. So save. Now we will give B OK to this second page and save it on the desktop. Now third, save, we will give the C and OK. First page we will give as an A, so save it and give the name A and on the desktop. So we will give the hyperlink to the B and C. So click on it, select this, select this toy and select this image and text. Now click on this link, browse button, and select this option, that is B, and open. OK. Similarly we will select this image and text. Link, browse, C, just navigate to the C and open. OK. So this hyperlink is created. So now we will go into the B and see which order now we have to create the link. For that we have to create this page for this order now procedure. So we'll click on this new, we will insert the table for some details. So we'll take over here 5x2, we will write enter name, address, then we will reuse contact number, mode of payment, and lastly we will merge this columns. Right click and select this second option, join selected cells. Now one by one we will insert the form fill properties. So click on this arrow, select this form fill, text box. For this we will use text, and simply we will give the field name as an A and OK. Now simply we will copy this text box to the next one for the address and the contact number. As we use to the address, we will use as an text area. So from text area, address, and I'll give the number of rows, suppose 6, and for this 12 and OK. For this contact number we will copy this text box, first copy it, and over here you can paste it And for the mode of payment, we will use the radio button also, and for the selection list also. So in this plaza, we will use this selection list option. So select this selection list option, give the list name as in payment, add option, use COD, add option, debit card, add option, credit card, add option, by the Paytm, and OK. So you can see our selection list inserted. Now we will insert this button. So go to the form fills, select this button from the fill types, fill name, give the fill name and the fill value which is displayed on the button. Suppose we will placed the order, and OK. So it will display as per we have set to the fill name. Now when user click on this button, it's navigate to this successful message. For the successful message, we will create one new page. So create it by clicking on this new and write down your message, that is your order is placed successfully. Now select it. For giving some effect, choose the color, OK. Select this font style, increase your font style, give some bold, italic, underline effect as per your requirement. Now we will save these two pages. So firstly we will save this last page and click on this save. We will give some name and OK on this desktop and save. Now for this fourth page, we will click on this save, give name as in D, and save on the desktop, that is save. Now as you see in these, any pages has a red mark, so go to that page. As you can see, our page A is unsaved, so we will go into the page A and we will save it. Now once we have created this page, so we will give to the hyperlink, that is order now. So click this order now, create a link, open the browser and we will select this D and open. That's simple. OK. Similarly in this, firstly we will save this B page, and for this C we will select this order now, click on link, browse, and again we will select this D and open. OK. Now we will save this C page also and we will go into the D page for giving this hyperlink to button to navigate to the E page. So we will right click on this button and select this create link option, and we will select this E page. So select this E page, open, and OK. So it navigate to this E page. Now as we have done the changes, so it conveying in by the red color, that is unsaved. Then we will save this. Now we will go to the first page, that is A. If you want to set the background, you can give the format, page colors and backgrounds. If you want to set the image, you can click on this browser and select any images from the desktop, pictures, open, and OK. Now remaining pages, if you want to give some color effect or some image, so you can set also by the format, page colors and background. If you want to select this color, then use customer color, select it, select any one color, OK, and OK. Similarly in the C, firstly we will save the page B, so again and again we don't have to save. Format, page colors and background, use custom color, and background. We will select the color, OK, and again OK. Now as we have done the changes, we will save the page C also. Now we will go into the page D. For that, format, page colors and backgrounds. Now in this D, we will insert the image as a background. So we will select any one image and OK. We will save this page also. Now last page, format, page colors and backgrounds. We will set over here as an use custom colors, backgrounds, and select any one color and OK. Now I will save. Now we will go into the first page, that is A, and we will click on this browse button to see the output in the browser. As you can see, our animate and the images is there. So as we have given the hyperlink to this two page images and the text only, it contain the blue color, and in these two pages we have don't give the link, so it contain the normal text color, that is black. So you can click on this text also and this image also, it navigate to that page. So firstly we will click on image, it navigate to the page C, that is we have said by the C name. Now if we want to order it, click on this order. Now it will navigate to the page D, as we have given this created this table and the file name, page name is D. Now enter your fields. Text area contain this scroll bar when we entered it, contact number and selection list. Select any options and place the order, it navigate to the page of successful message. Similarly, as we have given the link to the another page also, that is toy plane, click on this text and or images, navigate to this pages. So click on this order now, give your information, select option of the payment and place the order. It will display their successful message. So this is how we will create the plaza in the composer, by inserting the image and inserting the hyperlink. So this process, by clicking one image or text and it will navigate to the page another, that is, this process is known as a navigation. As you can see, when I click on some text or some image, it will navigate to the page, another page. So this process is known as an navigation. So I hope students you understood how we will create the plazas and how we will insert the images and how we will create the hyperlink, and when click on the hyperlink or image or text, it will navigate to the another page. This process is known as a navigation. So till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.